Hello and welcome to the channel. Some of you may remember the review I did on this Workzone T-Handle Screwdriver. I actually really like it. I've used it quite a few times since. You can see it's dirty. It's been used. The major drawback of it was that it only takes these, and these are a specific size for this handle, which means that if you lose this, you can't use it. You're screwed. You can't even put the bits in, they won't fit in there, because for some reason they made this slightly smaller than a normal one. A normal one won't fit, whereas it will in these screwdrivers. I don't really know why they've done that. I'm not sure, because once you lose this, you can't use this. You can obviously carry on using the bits and the sockets, but these are just useless on their own. So I found a blue spot one and I thought, oh, this looks very similar. In fact, it's a similar size case. It's got the same amount of bits in it. It's got the same type of bits in it. They're both 18 piece, both ratcheting, both T-handles. You've got, as you can see there, 10cm extension bar, quarter drive sockets, 5 to 10, Phillips slotted Torx. It's basically exactly the same thing. I don't think they're made in the same place. I'd be very surprised if they were. But I thought, right, I'll get this one and have a look. I do like this case a bit better. It's a slightly nicer case. So I picked this one up and it's very similar. Slightly different shape, slightly different size. The Workzone one's a bit thicker. This is still nice to hold. Not as nice. This is a bit chunkier, and the rubber's a bit softer on it than it is on this. This doesn't really have soft rubber. Feels more like a coating than an actual handle made of rubber, if that makes sense. It's a little bit lighter as well, but they have the same type of quick release collar. Both pull back. Feels nice. I just like T-handles because you can get a lot more torque on them. So I thought, well, maybe this comes with a standard bit adapter. Got the same three length settings, same ratcheting, but it's the same size. You can't fit these in, and you can't fit your bits in. So again, another one. If you lose this or you lose this, you're screwed. Completely useless on their own, either one of those. So why make this detachable? Why not just make it part of the handle so it doesn't come out? I don't know. Don't know why they do it. They make this detachable. If you lose that or you break it, you may as well throw that away because it's just rubbish. Obviously you can use the bits, you can use the sockets the same, doesn't matter, they all fit. But why do they do it? So Workzone, Aldi, Workzone and Blue Spot have done exactly the same thing. Drives me mad. Anyway, I'll keep looking for a T-handle that takes this type rather than this type. Thanks for watching, I'll see you on the next one.